I'm looking at you two, and you both look 20 years younger than you supposedly are. Um, do you have an eitzah? Do you have any piece of advice?
You remind me of a question that was asked of us 10 years ago or so. When people found out that what our age, they asked us, this was a wedding, an outdoor wedding. What's the secret of your successful marriage? And we could not get together on a common answer. So she had her answer, and it was quite different. I had my answer, but we couldn't work together and get a single answer.
What were your answers?
Well, what I think happens is that different people develop in different ways, and I think that not expecting someone else to be like you is a very important understanding to have, because I think one of the things that attracts people to each other emotionally is difference, is having a difference, and to appreciate the difference. At times you want somebody to be just like you, but you have to appreciate the difference if you're getting the benefits of that difference. I mean, it extends your life.
Oh.
Your life is extended that way.
There is another way to go. There are some relationships where there is one dominant person and the other tags along. Well, we can prove that it doesn't have to be that way. Right there?
It's a sense of humor, yes, yeah. I can't really explain it. To be honest, I can't really explain it, except to understand that nobody is perfect, including yourself. And sometimes our expectations of each other go beyond what is possible. And so I think that experiencing life together and working together to achieve certain goals. Right now we're trying to do this here at Klein Galland. We're in a very different situation, and it's not always easy, but it means there's still necessary to make an effort to be able to live. I don't know whether that answers your question. Yes.
It's little things that count. We subscribe to the New York Times. Speaking of little things, the paper is in my name. In the morning, I pick up the paper, I turn it over to her. Okay? She usually gives me the front section back, but that little gesture of here, it's yours. No, it's for both of us, or it's. I think that's very important.